The importance of self-care. In the fast-paced and demanding world we live in, the concept of self-care often takes a backseat to our professional responsibilities, social commitments, and the myriad of daily tasks that seem to fill our lives. However, prioritizing self-care is crucial for maintaining both physical and mental well-being. This article explores the importance of self-care, its various forms, and practical ways to incorporate it into our daily routines. Understanding self-care. Self-care refers to the actions and practices that individuals engage in regularly to maintain and improve their health and well-being. It encompasses a broad spectrum of activities that promote physical, emotional, and mental health. While self-care might conjure images of spa days and bubble baths, it goes far beyond these occasional indulgences, encompassing anything from maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise to setting boundaries and seeking professional help when needed. The benefits of self-care. 1. Improved physical health. Regular self-care activities such as exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and routine medical checkups are foundational for physical health. These practices help in preventing chronic illnesses, boosting the immune system, and enhancing overall physical resilience. 2. Enhanced mental health. Self-care plays a pivotal role in managing stress, anxiety, and depression. Activities like mindfulness, meditation, and spending time in nature can significantly reduce stress levels and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Engaging in hobbies and interests also provides a mental break from everyday pressures. 3. Better emotional well-being. Taking time for self-care helps individuals process their emotions, reflect on their needs, and maintain a balanced emotional state. This can lead to improved mood, increased self-esteem, and a more positive outlook on life. 4. Increased productivity. Contrary to the belief that self-care is a luxury, taking care of oneself can actually enhance productivity. When individuals are well-rested, healthy, and emotionally balanced, they are better equipped to handle tasks efficiently and effectively. 5. Stronger relationships. Self-care also extends to setting healthy boundaries and ensuring one's needs are met, which can improve personal and professional relationships. By taking care of themselves, individuals can show up more fully and authentically for others. Types of self-care. Self-care can be categorized into several types, each addressing different aspects of well-being. 1. Physical self-care. Activities that improve physical health, such as regular exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and routine medical care. 2. Emotional self-care. Practices that help manage and process emotions, such as journaling, talking to a friend, seeking therapy, or engaging in creative outlets. 3. Mental self-care. Activities that stimulate the mind and reduce stress, such as reading, solving puzzles, practicing mindfulness, or learning something new. 4. Social self-care. Maintaining healthy relationships and social connections by spending time with loved ones, joining clubs or groups, and seeking social support. 5. Spiritual self-care. Practices that nurture the spirit and provide a sense of purpose, such as meditation, prayer, spending time in nature, or participating in religious or spiritual activities. Incorporating self-care into daily life. Incorporating self-care into daily life doesn't require major changes. Small, consistent practices can make a significant difference. Here are some practical tips. 1. Schedule it. Just like any other important appointment, schedule self-care activities. Set aside specific times for exercise, relaxation, and hobbies. 2. Start small. Begin with small, manageable changes. For example, commit to a 10-minute walk each day or a few minutes of meditation. 3. Set boundaries. Learn to say no and set boundaries to protect your time and energy. Prioritize activities that are important to you. 4. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine by being present in the moment, whether during meals, walks, or interactions with others. 5. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or professionals. Talking to someone can provide perspective and encouragement. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and give yourself permission to rest and recharge when needed. Conclusion. Self-care is not a luxury but a necessity for maintaining overall well-being. By prioritizing self-care, individuals can improve their physical health, enhance their mental and emotional well-being, increase productivity, and foster stronger relationships. Incorporating self-care into daily routines doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent practices can lead to significant benefits. Remember, taking care of yourself is the foundation for being able to take care of others and lead a fulfilling life.